Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy trade across multiple take profit trader accounts. So first of all, you need to come here on takeprofittraders.com. Now over here, you need to just simply scroll down a bit and take a look at all of the plans that are provided to you by Take Profit Trader. So first of all, you need to make sure that the Take Profit Trader accounts you want to copy are active and available on the same supported trading setup. Now, Take Profit Trader currently allows you to trade up to 5 pro accounts simultaneously, and copy trading is also permitted across those accounts. So, over here, once you have those accounts available, you need to select one account that you want to be considered as a master account, and this is going to be the account where you will going to place your trades. The other accounts are going to basically act as the follower accounts, receiving the same trades from that particular master account. Now, once you have that, you just have to simply open your supported trading platform and configure your trade copier. So you can use any of the trade copiers like TradeCU or any other that you have. You can also use Tradovate for this. You can come here on Tradovate and then you can connect your Take Profit Trader account with Tradovate. Now, when you are inside, you can click on the option of account, and over here you can basically create a group. In that particular group you can basically add those multiple accounts. Then again, you can assign one account as the master account. You can select that master account over here, and when you place the order in that particular master account, it is going to be copied in another accounts. Similarly, if you go on trade C, you just have to simply first of all connect your account with it. Afterwards, you can select the option of Take Profit Trader, where it is going to show you all of the accounts that you have. So you need to again assign one account as the master account, and when the order executes in that particular account, it is going to be replicated in the other accounts of yours. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.